Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, what is the best example of a motivational symptoms of unipolar depression? Option A man who stops cleaning his apartments and even stop showering. Option B, a man who no longer feels happy or interested in his hobby of cycling. Option C, a woman who thinks that her sadness will never go away. Option D, a woman who no longer goes out with friends and stay home alone for weeks. The correct answer of the question is option D, a woman who no longer goes out with friends and stay homes alone for weeks. Oh, that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.